This is the Kevo from Kwikset, installed on Baldwin hardware, Baldwin Evolved. We have installed the Kevo Plus, which allows for remote operation from anywhere in the world. Amazing. Today we will show you how to replace your batteries in your Kevo lock. This lock uses a key but also allows for unlocking with the Kevo app. Let's take a look at the lock first. This is the removable case where the batteries are located. Here is the lock, which can be opened manually or with the app. First, remove the black cover. Just pull up on the cover to remove it. Next, pull up on the cartridge from the back of the lock. That's where the batteries are located. Right there. Now, let's replace the batteries with 4 new ones. The general battery life for the Kevo is about 3 months, which depends on individual usage. And as always, if you like these videos, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love them, hit subscribe. It's free. Now, just slide the battery cartridge back in the slot of the Kevo. That's it. Now place the black cover back on the Kevo lock. Now let's see if the app works with my app on my phone. First, open the Kevo app. Next, select your lock. Let's lock the door with the app. Perfect, it works. I want to thank you guys for watching and being a part of the Ultimate Tech Hub. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, it's free. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. Thanks again for watching.